Let's walk through how to properly charge your one-layer CorePower batteries.
First, plug the provided dual micro USB charger into a power source. Next, insert the USB cable into the CorePower battery to begin charging. 4 status indicators will show you the current level of charging. Once all 4 LED lights are illuminated, your battery is fully charged and ready for use or storage. You will notice pockets on both sides of your torso where the CorePower batteries will go. Unzip the pocket and insert each battery. CorePower clicks into place with our magnetic connection system. Repeat the same process for the bottom garment, inserting both CorePower batteries into each pocket.
Thank you for choosing H.E.A.T One Layer. If you have any questions, please visit us online at heatup.com for more information.